Hey guys, I wanted to check in this evening and work on something here with you. I wanted to show you the BYOB. And if you haven't seen it yet, the BYOB is not how it's usually used, but build your own bag. Now, what I'm going to show you is the different pieces and how this works so you guys can all see. But before we get that far, I want to show you how it looks, kind of how it fits. This is the one I'm currently carrying. This is a shoulder strap, what we call a shoulder strap, and the flap I've chosen. And this is the modern version of the body, and we'll get into that a little more in a second. But if you look down in here, you can see I've got an All About the Benjamins wallet and a mini pouch and a couple other things in there. So actually it fits quite a bit of stuff. So, and I even have my strap because I like to pull my wallet out and just take it in if I'm going into the post office or something like that. There is a zipper pocket inside, and then there's two pockets on the back. Oh, and the flap, it's magnetic there. And there's two pockets on the back. There's this one that kind of snaps into the back there. And then there's the handy dandy cell phone pocket. So that'll give you a little bit of idea of what they look like. And like I said, this is the modern and the shoulder strap. So I want to show you. I know, don't turn your back to the camera. So if you wanted to see, this is the navy. Obviously that's the coral. But this is the modern, this is the classic, so you can see them next to each other. Very, very similar. This one's obviously exactly like the other, the coral one, but it's in navy. And this is the classic. You can see inside it still has the, because I'm using the other one, the stuffing side. And oh, and it also has, oh, I forgot, the two little pockets inside here as well as the zipper pocket. So you get those as well. And obviously the rings on the side for the strap. So they're very similar. And I'm going to show you, actually I think I'll show you with the classic how this works, since you already saw. So there are multiple choices for flaps. So you choose, first of all, you choose your body. Do you want classic, do you want modern, and which color do you want? And there's multiple colors in there. And it's all in the catalog, or on my website, of course. And then you pick a flap, and these are just some of them. I don't have all of them. So see, so you can go with a more plain one like this navy, or this one, which kind of has a similar feel to some of our other bags there, or then a little bit of color. So I'm going to go with a little bit of color. Literally, all you do is you take the flap and face it toward the purse like this, slide it into the zipper. I don't know if you can see that there. Slide it into the zipper. It's hard to do standing. There we go. And there you go. That's it. It's really that simple. And the beauty of this is, if say you want this because you're going out one night, but then for work you want something a little more sedate, you can just switch it out. You can switch it every day if you want. It takes seconds, like you saw. No big deal. So the other option that we have too, like I said, on my purse, the shoulder strap. Well, we also have the crossbody strap, which is a longer strap, and we have two versions of that. I want to get this here. This one, and let me clip this here. I thought I had clipped it. This one is a fabric strap. If you can see it here, it's kind of got a pattern to it. See that there? Okay. And then we have the other ones that are the same faux leather as the purses. So, and again, multiple colors. If you look in the catalog or on my website, you can see it. It's just called Build Your Own Bag. So it's real easy there. And I believe it's page 47. So, here we go again. So here's the purse. Literally, all you do, like any other strap, snap, snap, and then there you go. And now you've got a crossbody. Or I had a couple of people who said, I just like a longer strap. You can wear it as a shoulder strap too. See? It fits fine. No problem whatsoever. So if you like a longer strap, you can get that. The other thing is that the beauty of this is, like I said, not only can you kind of change it with your mood, and if you're anything like me, I change purses often. There's a reason I sell 31. But also, if you have different uses, so like say you're going to an amusement park for a day, obviously a crossbody is a lot easier for that sort of thing, or that even if you usually use a shoulder strap. So you can change things out, and you can buy just a body, just a flap, just a strap. So you can buy them separately. You can buy them as one whole set, or you can buy them separately. So there's all kinds of options with this. And so it's really great for, like I said, that versatility, and for those of us who are just a little moody when it comes to our purses. Oh. As always, guys, if you have any questions, reach out. Just wanted to kind of show you guys this. I'd been meaning to do it and hadn't quite gotten to it. So have a wonderful, wonderful evening. I will talk to you soon. Bye.